Hello everyone, myself Shambhavi Bhagavadi, research scholar at Tissue Engineering and Additive Manufacturing Lab, Center, Sastra Deemed University. Today I am going to present my thesis work entitled Injectable In Situ Forming Peptide Nanofiber Reinforced Composite Hydrogens for Age-Related Macular Degeneration. AMD is a disease which occurs in the people who are aged more than 60 years, leads to central loss of vision and irreversible blindness. This is normal view and this is AMD patient view. It is expected to reach 288 million people by 2040 without any gender effect. There is no treatment available to cure the disease. However, the progression of the disease can be controlled by anti-VEGF injections and few drugs. Hence, we have come up with the tissue engineering strategy for AMD, which is injectable, fills irregular shaped damages, and semi-invasive subretinal delivery. First, we wanted to identify the native properties of Bruch membrane. Hence, we have isolated Gott's Bruch membrane and characterized. We found that nanofibrous architecture and ultra thin in nature. To mimic this nanofibrous architecture, we have chosen peptides which were self-assembled into nanofibers, and peptides also provides biorecognition motifs for cell attachment. Further, we have fabricated HASH-PBA in situ forming hydrogen, which is able to inject through microneedles and forms hydrogen under physiological condition. It having ability to form ultra-thin hydrogen membrane which is transparent in nature. The peptides were self-assembled onto the hydrogen membrane to form biomimetic Bruch membrane. This biomimetic Bruch membrane in vitro evaluated using ARP19 cell lines. The SEM image confirms monolayered cell adhesion throughout the membrane and cells were viable. The functional efficacy of the cells evaluated by phagocytosis of ROS beads and expression of ZO1 tight junction marker. In vivo scaffold were evaluated in bulb-C mice. First, we have developed AMD model and further functional efficacy were evaluated. Healthy control shows thick, uniform, continuous ONL layer and RPE cell tight junction integrity. In the case of disease control, sodium iodide treated one, there is a disturbance and reduction in the ONL layer and RPE cells integrity were lost. After treatment with hydrogel with peptide group shows there is a effective regeneration of RPE layers, there is a thick ONL layer and also tight junction integrity of the RPE cells were formed. From this, the innovation of the thesis is we are the first report of RADA-GAGA with YAGSR peptides self-assembled into nanofibers. Subretinal delivery without surgical complications and effective regeneration of retinal layers in AMD mice model. The future direction of the thesis will be in incorporation of iPSC or embryonic stem cell derived RPE cells along with the hydrogel, and long-term safety and biodegradation profiles will be evaluated in larger animal models, and personalized regenerative therapies like patient-specific cell incorporation will be carried out. A co-delivery of RPE cells like photoreceptor cells along with RPE cell helps for the complete regeneration of the retinal layers. From this, I would like to thank Tissue Engineering and Additive Manufacturing Lab, especially my supervisor Dr. S. Anuradha ma'am and Director Center Dr. S. Swaminathan sir. I would like to acknowledge Sastra Deemed University for Teaching Assistant Fellowship, Department of Biotechnology for funding course, and Ableist for providing workspace during my study. Thank you.